सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 10.4 problem number 8. Look at the question. A solid metallic sphere of diameter 28 centimeter is melted and recast into a number of smaller cones, each of diameter 4 by 3 centimeter and height 3 centimeter. Find the number of cones so formed. Here actually a sphere is there. Consider it is a sphere. Okay. This sphere melted to form a smaller cones. Okay, sphere is melted to form smaller cones. Okay, this is a cone. Okay, so what is the sphere measurements? It is of 28 centimeter diameter. Okay, 28 centimeter diameter, and what is that given again? And right, this cone diameter is given 4 by 3 centimeter. Okay, right. So we have to find the number of cones recasted. Okay, right. So suppose, what is the volume of the sphere that we have to find actually. Okay, so here the volume of the sphere as well as the number of cones so formed volume is also same, both are equal, isn't it? I'm writing here. So this is a solution. The volume of sphere is equals to the volume of number of cones formed. Is it clear? Both the volumes are equal. So consider number of cones so formed is equals to n cones. Consider the number of cones n. Okay, right. So let us find the volume of the cone. So volume of the cone. Why I am finding the volume of the cone? So we have to find the volume of the number of cones. Okay, because that number of cones volume is equals to the sphere volume. Okay, we have to find the number of cones volume as well as sphere volume. Okay, so to find the number of cones volume, first of all we need to find the one cone volume first. Okay, with the given measurement, right? So volume of the cone is equal to, what is the formula we have? 1 by 3 pi r square, which is the formula for volume of the cone, right? Given height is equals to how much? 3 centimeter. Okay, so given height is 3 centimeter and diameter given 4 by centimeters. Okay, so h is equals to 3 centimeter and d given 4 by 3 centimeter. Okay, right. So take down. I am going to erase here. Right. So r is nothing but d by 2. That is nothing but 4 by 3 by 2. This we can simplify. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2. 14 by 3 by 2. Okay. So what is the next? 14 by 3 into 2. So 14 by 6. 2 3s are 2 7s are 7 by 3 centimeter. What is that? R equals to nothing but radius we got 7 by 3 centimeter. Isn't it? Is it clear? Right. Yeah. Next, substitute the values. in the formula. What is the formula? That is 1 by 3 pi r square h. H we have 3 centimeter and r we have 7 by 3 centimeter. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into pi is nothing but 22 by 7 r 7 by 3 centimeter whole square into h 3 centimeter. Okay, this is I am simplifying here only. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 3 centimeter whole square, we can write 7 by 3 centimeter into 7 by 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter. Okay, right. So here 7 gets cancelled, and this 3 gets cancelled. Is it clear? Okay, yeah, I am erasing this. I hope we have written this. Right. So I am writing these things here. So what is the remaining? 1 into 22 into next remaining 1 by 3 centimeter into 7 by 3 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Okay, what becomes 22 into 7, 22 into 7, 7 to the 14, 1 carry, 7 to the 14, 15, 154 in the numerator. Denominator 3 3 is 9, centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square into centimeter, centimeter cube. So this is the volume of one cone. Okay, is equals to how much? 154 by 9 centimeter cube is the volume for one cone. Okay, we have to find the volume for n cones. Okay, so therefore the volume of n cones is equals to n into 154 by 9 centimeter cube, isn't it? Is it clear? Right, it is equation 1. Next, so volume of the sphere we have to find. Okay, so volume of the sphere, what is the formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is the r value given? So given d is equals to 28 centimeter, so r is equals to d by 2, that is nothing but, okay, I will write here. Shall I erase this? Right, I hope you written this. Right. So r is equals to d by 2, d value we have 28 centimeter by 2, 2 ones are 2 14s, so 14 centimeter. So r we got 14 centimeter is the radius. Substitute the value in this formula. Okay, 4 by 3 into pi is nothing but 22 by 7 and r nothing but 14 centimeter whole cube. Okay, shall I erase this? Yes. Right. Right, 154 by, so value of the n cones, n into 154 by 9 centimeter cube I am writing here to remember that. Right, okay. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. Yeah. So 7 ones are 7 2s are. Okay, what is the remaining? Yeah, 14 into 14. I think 14 square. So 14 square is nothing but 196 I think 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, 5, it is 14, 6 9, 196 into this becomes 88 into 2. So 88 into 2 means 16 1, 16 70, 176. So 176. We have to multiply with 196 and 176. Is it clear? Right. So what is that? What we got? So this becomes 176 into this becomes 196 by 3 centimeter into centimeter into centimeter cube. Yeah, okay. This is the volume of the sphere. What is that? Volume of the sphere. Okay, is it clear? So this must be equal to the volume of the n smaller cones, isn't it? Right. What is that? So I'm erasing. So the volume of n cones so formed is equals to volume of the sphere, isn't it? So we have both the values, right? So volume of n cones, n into 154 by 9 centimeter cube is equals to, and volume of the sphere we got 176. This is one, yeah, 6 by 3 centimeter cube. Okay, right. So n remains here only. This 9 goes to numerator, 176 into 196 into 9 by 3, as it is. 154 comes to denominator, centimeter cube here, and here it is centimeter cube as it is. Okay, right. So this centimeter cube get cancelled. It is multiplication. Right, next. Yeah, 3 1s are 3 3s are. Okay, next 2 7s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and here it is 2 8s. Is it clear? So 2 88s are 176, 2 77s are 154. 11 7s, 11 8s, isn't it? Next, yeah, 7 1s, 7 2s, and this becomes 5 remains. So 2 7 8s, 56. What is the remaining? 8 into 28 into 3, isn't it? So 28 into the multiplying here, 28 into 8 first, 8 8 is 64, 6 here, 8 to the 16, 22 into 3, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 to the 6, 7, 3 to the 6, 672. Okay, right. So n is equals to, we got 672. What is n here? Number of cones we considered in the earlier. Number of cones is n. Okay, is it clear? Yeah, understand the cancellation carefully. Okay, right. So how many cones we formed here? 672 cones. So this sphere we melted. Okay, we melted this sphere and we formed some smaller cones. How many cones they are? 672 cones we formed. Okay, right. This is the solution of the problem number 8.